I knew that Carmine's coming out, everybody will want them. It's a hood fave, you feel me? It's a hood fave. So everybody in the hood, everybody that loved Jordan, everybody that played ball when they was younger, they gonna want this shoe. And it's white, red, and black. Like that's just a recipe for disaster, you feel me? Like they gonna be popping out in these all summer long. Like, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. So look, your boy is finally back. I apologize for being gone. It was like 2-3 weeks where I didn't post anything because I was going through it. I was getting the procedure on my tooth done. As y'all can see, I got like a temporary tooth in there now. I think in 2 weeks or next week they're gonna do the permanent crown. If you guys were keeping up with my broken tooth, that's why I was doing the videos with the mask. But your boy is back, man. And first and foremost, if you guys are new to the channel, go down and hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video. It helps your boy out a lot, supposedly. So just do that and comment down below what else you guys want to see on the channel, man. We back today with another sneaker review. Happy Chinese New Year's to all my Asian followers, or Chinese, Korean, Vietnamese, Filipino. If y'all celebrate Lunar New Year's, Happy New Year's. And to start off the New Year's, we have a release, sneaker release that came out yesterday. Today's Sunday, so yesterday, on the 15th. And it's today's the 15th. I don't know what day is the 15th, but these came out on the Saturday, probably the 14th. And it is the Jordan 6 Carmines. Here's the box, you know, Jordan 6 box. If you guys should know about Jordan 6 Carmines, it's a classic sneaker, probably one of Michael Jordan's like most iconic sneakers, because he actually won his first, I believe, finals in a pair of Jordan 6s. So it is a pretty iconic shoe, and the white and red is just a classic, you know, Chicago Bull colorway. And everybody was going crazy. Like Nike Fifth Ave, if you guys didn't know, in Manhattan, New York, yo, New York City, they was fighting, they was scrapping like to get to the door for first come first serve. Like that's why I just need to bring back like sneaker pass, because that first come first serve shit is like is dead, bro, unless you know the info for leftovers, you feel me? But yeah, I heard somebody had a gun, they had the Glock 9, pulled it out. I'm like, damn son, like chill out. Like I wasn't even there and I was telling him to chill out, but it is what it is. Here is the shoe. I did end up picking up a couple pairs, I believe 8 men's and 7 grade school. The online release was terrible. I think they had like 270 pairs online supposedly for foot sites, because they kept pulling them out of like inventory because of defects and like discoloration. So I don't know, man, but I have the shoe right here. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. So as you guys can see, the box, regular Jordan 6 box, Jordan Jumpman on top, and then they have the size tag right here. This is a size 9, so I'll be bringing you guys an on foot, and the color reads white Carmine and black Carmine red. The box is pretty simple. It's just a black lid that opens up like this, and it has a cement print on the bottom, well, I mean on the sides, and then black on the bottom. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, man. So unboxing the shoe, as you guys can see, the inside, the paper usually comes with like a white paper, but this comes with a cement print paper. And once you peel that back, you have the sneaker right here, man. Ooh, Jordan 6 Carmines. I'm not gonna lie to you, this is a pretty clean sneaker. One of the like cleanest Jordan 6s, but personally, I'm not a huge fan. I'm gonna wrap that up in my final opinions, but first things first, let me just bring you guys a quick little b-roll to give you guys the overall look and everything of the shoe. Come back and then we'll go into the full review, so let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, As you guys can see, it is a regular Jordan 6 colorway. It is a OG classic colorway, so it's pretty simple. White, red, and black, so that makes up almost the whole shoe. So the back panel here is white with the Nike Air. They came with the Nike Air this time, and then the heel tab is black and red, as you guys can see. Now for the mid panel and the front, they use this Carmine red colorway, and the material of the red is in a nubuck, as opposed to white being in regular leather. So this red is kind of it's lighter than the varsity red, but it's darker than the infrared, so you have that in between right there on this red. And then as you guys can see, the tongue is white mesh right here with red in the middle to hide the laces with the Jordan Jumpman that comes on like all Jordan 6s, and then they have the red lace lock right there to finish it off with a black it's like a pull thing on the top of the tongue. And it comes with white laces. You know, I think that's like a touch way better than black laces, even though Carmine's never came with black laces. Like, what am I talking about? And then the midsole is white, coming on the inside and the back, with the black coming around above the outsole. So they have the icy blue outsole with the air unit back here, and the red Jordan Jumpman in the middle with a white outsole. So yeah, man, that pretty much breaks down the whole colorway of the shoe. This does come with Nike Air, so it has Nike Air on the insole and Nike Air on the back. So you guys let me know what you guys think of the colorway, man. I know there was like the defect they talking about, it comes with like a pinkish midsole compared to the white leather. Personally, I do see what they're talking about. It's not as cocaine white as the leather, but you gotta think it is different materials, so it comes off like a little bit darker than the leather. So yeah, that's just that. Also, another cool detail is that they have the Jordan Air right there on the top of the tongue. And yeah, man, that pretty much breaks down everything of the sneaker as for coloring and materials. Now, as for sizing on Jordan 6s, I would recommend going true to size. Most of my Jordan 6s, I go true to size, but Jordans typically do fit a little bit big. So if you have not as wide of a foot, I would suggest going down half a size. But try on a pair in store. You can't even say that no more because it should be gone. But if you can try on a pair in store, try on a pair half size down and try on your true to size to see which one fits a little bit better. But I like a little bit of room, so I will go true to size, and then you have that little bit of room. Some people like their shoes like tighter so they don't crease, but it's gonna crease regardless. So do whatever you have to do, but go true to size, or maybe go down half a size on these. Moving on to the comfort, Jordan 6s aren't that comfortable. Not as uncomfortable as Jordan 1s, but they do have like a air unit back here, and you know, the midsole is better technology than the Jordan 1, but it's still not comfortable compared to like what standards we have nowadays with like React, Boost, Cushline, all that. So these aren't really that comfortable. So if you're looking for comfort, it is what it is. It's a pair of Jordans. It's gonna be bulky, it's gonna be heavy, so you're not really copping these for comfort anyways. Now quickly, let's just break down the resell prediction of the shoe. Yo, it was pretty crazy to get these. Like I knew that Carmine's coming out, everybody will want them. It's a hood fave, you feel me? It's a hood fave. So everybody in the hood, everybody that loved Jordan, everybody that played ball when they was younger, they gonna want this shoe, and it's white, red, and black. Like that's just a recipe for disaster, you feel me? Like they gonna be popping out in these all summer long. Like I had people hit me up, like my son Steve, he been telling me since last year that he needs the Carmines when they come out. So I'm like, yo bro, I got you. So you know, I ended up picking up pairs on through Foot Locker mostly, and some first come first serve through DTLR, but y'all know the Nike was crazy and people just going crazy for this because resale was pretty good. Retail on 6s is 200, so these were selling for like 300 on release day. Easy, bro, easy 300. So that's an easy $100. Like anybody want to do that. So yeah, it was pretty crazy. And StockX, it was moving on for like 280 payout. Like anybody was making that money, bro. $60 profit, anybody taking that any day. You feel me? So it was a hassle to get these, and then online was terrible. So what do I recommend? Do I recommend sell now or hold them? If you have pairs in hand this moment on Sunday before online pairs start coming in, I would suggest selling them now. Make that $100, you know, if you can, or that $60-$80, because once online gets more pairs rolling in and Nike is, you know, sending back pairs because they don't think it's a defect, or you know, Nike outlets start getting them, you guys have to think that, yo, these prices on these gonna drop for a little bit, but it's Jordans, like a classic Jordan, so it's gonna drop for a little bit and then go back up. So do what you want with that information. I'm saying if you have the pairs in hand now, I would suggest selling them and then picking them back up when market drops a little bit. But who knows, market might not even drop because they were pretty low on supply. So yeah, man. So yeah, man, do what you want. I would suggest selling now. I sold most of my men pairs. I just got one pair right now, right here, to give you guys a review. My other pairs are mostly sold already. So all right, talking about the review. All right, now let's wrap things up. I'm gonna give you guys a little on foot of these. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of sixes anymore. In high school, I was. My first pair of Jordans was the Olympic sixes. So actually, I lied. They were Raptor sevens. But my second pair of Jordans was the Olympic sixes. So I'm gonna give you guys a little on feet of the Carmines and come back and wrap it up with my final opinion, man. So let's hop to that. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the on foot of this shoe right here. It's pretty clean, you know what I'm saying? It's a Jordan 6 classic colorway. Can't go wrong with it. Like, you probably grew up wanting Carmine if you were into Jordans, and I did the same. I wanted Carmine growing up, but now I have so many sneakers. Like, I feel like, yo, like, I could care less for Carmines, you feel me? So it is what it is. I'll be passing on these personally because it's not my style anymore, man. It's not really, Jordan 6s aren't really my style. So like when you're wearing a sneaker, you're looking down at the sneaker like this. Like when you look down, you're gonna be seeing this. I don't want to see that, bro. I don't want to see that. Like, feel me? But this is what it is. That's my opinion. I'll be passing on these. But yeah, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed the review and the video. Your boy feels good to be back. I know the energy is kind of lacking today. It is like Sunday morning. I'm trying to get this review out as early as possible because I gotta go pick up more Carmine today. So yeah, man, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy. Don't forget to leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're new. Then y'all catch y'all on the next one, man. We out.